Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I'm going to show you how to share a personalized video through SmartLead. Okay, so right now I'm standing here on my edit page. If you do not know how to get here, no worries. So whenever you finish recording your video, you'll notice that of course the video will appear on your library. So just by making a single click over it, it will take you to this site. Okay, so as you can see on the left hand side, I have the customize options, and this of course the header, the message, and the call to action of course are related to what we see here. You can see here that for instance in the header what I wrote was hey first name, which is basically here the tag or the personalized variable. If you make a click on the line, you'll get the option to of course insert more tags or just keep the one in my case that I have already set. Okay, the same thing goes or applies to message, which is what we are seeing right here. And finally, we have the call to action. You can also, of course, just use another merge tag. But in my case, what I'll do is just leave it as it is. I'll put schedule a meeting, and then I'll put here. You can actually put your calendar. You can put a Zoom meeting. In my case, just for the sake of the example, I'll leave it just as it is. Okay. So once you're ready and you're comfortable with everything you have here on the landing page, and just in case you don't know about this, whenever customers get the email or get the email with the thumbnail and they click on it, they will get a page just like what we're seeing right here. Okay, so we call this the landing page. So this is what people will get. So let me just jump here to my SmartLead account, and I'm already here inside of a campaign. And let me actually erase this so we can start this from scratch. So whenever you start here building your email, what you need to do is go to share video here. You'll notice that at the end it will say share with personalization. Because you're doing this for the first time, you won't be seeing this. Okay, so what you'll do is click on edit or add, look for SmartLead, there we go, and click on both and save them. Okay, so once that's done, you can just go here, and the first step involves here making a click on image URL. So that copies the snippet. Okay, so we're ready to go here to email campaigns. And just like the title says here, it is an image, so it involves another step, which is basically just pasting over the words that we have, the phrase that we have right below the image. It involves making that as a hyper or converting that as a hyperlink. Okay, so I'll simply select this and I'll click here to insert link. I'll paste it there. Okay, and you'll see how this converts into a hyperlink. So once that's ready, we are actually now good or fine to continue with the process and send the emails. And again, just to make this example shorter than it should be, or shorter, we can just jump into what the email will look like. Okay, so just for this example, I use the first name as Dan2. That's the name, that's the variable. You can see that here on the banner as well. And if you're wondering how to do that, let me go back here for a minute and actually show you. You can click here on edit thumbnail and you'll notice right here. Okay, so you can go to edit overlays. You can write it right here. You can also add more tags. Okay, and you can even go to edit styles, and of course you'll see here like things like show the banner or the banner background. That will of course just take it off. You can put the banner background color, you can edit the text, so there are many things that you can do there. Okay, so now once you're ready with that, you're fine with it, you can just save it, and it will of course update to the setup that you have decided to use. So let me close this, go back here. Okay, so because everything is ready, you just hit send or you continue with the process, and we get to this section. So if people click here and watch video, they'll get this. And this is exactly how the video will look, or the landing page will look like once they get it. Okay, so this is just, of course, this is just fulfilling or populating the merge text that I decided to use, and just like it is on this edit section. And they'll also get the schedule a meeting or whatever call to action button you decide to use. Okay. So hopefully this was very clear, but just let me know if you need my assistance with any of these steps of the process. Okay. So have a great day. Bye bye.